Hey guys, Top Fins, and I'm going to do a little fire comparison between the X-Bomb cracker and just one regular Black Cat firecracker from a firecracker strip. We'll test the which one? Let's do this one. I like Black Cat personally. I'll light this one off real quick. That was pretty loud. I don't think you guys saw it, but fuse off those are pretty fast. Now for this one, I like Black Cats. Wait for the wind to stop. All right, here we go. Don't have a lot more powder in it, I would say. But the Black Cat, I think, is definitely louder. Well, thanks for watching. Like, favorite, and subscribe.